See, when it comes to the benefits, whether it is a prevention of disease or maintaining the health or curing or having the best mental setup, peace, joy or bliss or ecstasy, and being far away from depression, handling life, everything, including manifesting the extraordinary powers, everything is available in our original source texts, what we call Veda Agama, Vedas and Agamas of the Hindu tradition. Whatever I am doing is bringing life back, reviving the original science as expressed in Sanatana Hindu Dharma. Whatever experience, anubhuti I had by my Guru's grace, Atma Pramana, I compare with Apta Pramana, Shastra Pramana, the ancient masters' experiences. And I do acid wash all my Atma Pramana with Atta Pramana. Whatever my personal experience, Atma Pramana, I do acid wash them with Shastra Pramana, Apta Pramana. Whatever finally stands after the acid wash, I share it with the world as Sakshi Pramana,
Very good.
which becomes Sakshi Pramana. I also wanted to tell the whole world through this opportunity, everything you need is available in our Shastras. Always learn from the Gurus who have personal enlightenment and abide by the Shastra Pramana. Anybody who does not have personal enlightenment will not even understand the scriptures completely. They will be just pandits. They will not be able to give you experience. Some of the people who had few satori, one or two experience, but does not adhere to Shastra Pramana, there is a danger that their experience may be good for them but not for whole world.
Yes.
Even if somebody is enlightened, what they should share with the world and what they should not share with the world will be decided only by Shastra Pramana.
Very good.
Every person, whether he had enlightenment experience or not, what he shares with the world should be decided by Shastra Pramana. Shastras gives a complete view of what can be shared, what is good for the whole world. Some of the Gurus, by the way they are brought up, they will be vegetarian. They may not be drinking alcohol. So they will do some Sarasasan, the stomach cleansing techniques, all this. It will work for them. They will have experience. But because they do not refer the original scriptures, they don't understand the vegetarianism and no alcohol is a basic requirement for these kriyas to work. Yam, niyam are requirements for these other components of yoga to work. They start thinking these actions alone are enough. And they start teaching when somebody who drinks regularly alcohol, if he does Sarasasan, I guarantee he will have mental problems. I have done enough of research in this.
So it cannot be dismissed as cultural frill. Some of them
It cannot
dismiss
be taken out
yes.
in the name of cultural frills.
Yes.
Everything Patanjali mentions. That is why The word is Ashtanga Yoga, not even 8 steps, 8 parts.
But altogether.
Anga.
Anga.
The word Ashtanga Yoga is not 8 steps that you go to the second step, you leave the first step. You go to the third step, you leave the second step. You go to the sixth step, you leave all other steps. No. It is not steps, it is Anga.
Right.
Unfortunately, some gurus, when they do not read the scripture or respect the scriptures or revere the scripture, the source manuals, they cause more danger to society than the help. So even if somebody is enlightened, what they teach to the world need to be acid washed through the scriptural strength.
So the key is having had the experience and
And referring to validating it
with the text
with the text.
before transmitting it.
Transmitting.
All of
See,
it.
because many things which we have practiced, without even knowing we practiced, even that needed to be taught to others.
Right.
See, sometime, for example, Ishvara Pranidhana, Patanjali says, surrendering to the ultimate. We would have practiced it as a simple flow because any child born and brought up in Indian village tradition learns surrendering to Sadashiva as like how he learns to breathe. But we forget when we teach to the world, they may not have had this background and experience. They need to be taught this very systematically, scientifically.
Yes.
So even if we are enlightened, even if somebody is enlightened, he has to refer and adhere to the original scriptures when he wants to teach something. When the knowledge need to be transmitted, that is the only safest way, method, the spiritual knowledge, spiritual experience, spiritual enlightenment can be transmitted. I do request the people, please always understand, learn only from the people who have experience and referring the scriptures.